Once upon a time, in the heart of the whispering forest, the sun dipped below the horizon, bathing the trees in a warm, golden glow. Princess Anuke walked gracefully through the woods. Her sapphire blue eyes sparkled with wonder, and her heart crystal necklace pulsed with a soft, blue light. Suddenly, she stopped. A faint, sorrowful whisper drifted through the glowing foliage, catching her attention and pulling at her kind heart. She pushed aside the sparkling leaves to find the whispering unicorn. It stood by a crystal pond, its silver mane shimmering, looking very sad and lonely. The unicorn had lost its song, and the forest had fallen silent. Anuke reached out, gently placing her glowing heart crystal against the unicorn's forehead. In an instant, a burst of magical particles, hearts, and stars swirled around them, filling the night air with a warm and loving golden radiance. The magic spread. Flowers bloomed instantly in vibrant colors, and birds and woodland animals emerged from the shadows to celebrate the returned melody. A brilliant rainbow arched across the starlit sky as the unicorn let out a clear, musical note, restoring the forest's song once and for all. Anuke and her new friend shared a quiet, gentle moment, their noses touching as the forest whispered its thanks to the kind princess. With a final toss of its silver mane, the unicorn galloped away into the flowery meadow, leaving a trail of magical sparkles in its wake. Princess Anuke smiled, for she knew that a kind heart can help even the quietest voice be heard. Kindness makes every whisper magical.